Wait, where did you find? Wait, this fucking rainy day. Rainy day, Dennis. It's so cold. What?
You're all okay?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, I'll take you back.
We're going to Mattress Depot. No. Dennis.
She has a bike ring.
Wait, oh wait. Ah, yeah. I learned some weird things, man. Like, well, she was like, you've got so much saliva. You've got so much saliva. And I was like, I know. And she was like, but it's a good thing. And I was like, wait, what? She was like, it's good for your teeth. She was like, but then, you know, it keeps them strong. And she was like, but it also starts tartar buildup. And I was like, oh. And I wanted to know more about it, but I didn't, want to ask the dentist, because be like, so wait, is saliva good for your teeth? And he'd be like, who'd you hear that from?
And the dentist
would
be like,
fuck, but, and she also was like, she was like, it's all about, keeping the pH levels in your mouth, like pretty low, or pretty high, I guess, like around 7, neutral. And I was like, well, I drink a lot of tea now. I was like, she's like, do you put sugar in it? I was like, no. She's like, what about milk? And I was like, no. She's like, cream, sugar.
Like,
you already said sugar. And I was like, I don't do it. And she was like, well, when patients have when their mouths are bleeding, we tell them to suck on tea bags. And I was like, what? And I was like, she was like, yeah, it's just, you eat anything and it lowers the pH in your mouth. And I was like, is there any food that, raises the pH in your mouth? And she was like, well, if you figure it out, let me know. And I was like, oh, God. And she was like, and I was like, I guess I could, chew on baking soda. And, that's gross. No, it's not edible. And, yeah. Wait, I got bad news, Dad. I have 1 million cavities. I know. I passed.